student, today we are going to prepare artificial silk. Okay, for preparation of artificial silk we require a chemical. So what are the chemical we require now? Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is required, and ammonia liquid also is required. Ammonia solution. Then nitric acid and cellulose. Cellulose present in the cotton. So what you want to do is, so you go for measuring. Take 5 grams of copper sulfate. So with help of electronic balance, you can measure. Okay, 5 grams. So take the copper sulfate and go for weighing. So blue in color no copper sulfate. So 5 gram of copper sulfate. Okay, 5 gram. So after that, so transfer into the beaker. 5 gram of copper sulfate transfer into the beaker. Okay. Then, so pipette out ammonia solution. So this is ammonia. So how much? So 50 ml of ammonia solution is required. Okay. So pipette out and transfer into the beaker. So press it the pipette bulb and keep in the bottle. Just leave it. Okay. So transfer into the beaker, small beaker. Yes, again. So pipette out. Yes. So this ammonia solution, so transfer into the copper sulfate contained beaker. Okay. Color change, no? Okay. And stir well. After that, what you want to do is stir well. Okay. And then, so go for weighing. Take 2 grams of cotton. So why you are using cotton mean here? So cotton contains cellulose. So we require cellulose. Okay. So 2 gram. Okay, 1. Okay, you can take and keep the cotton in the solution. After keeping the cotton, so proper mixing is required. You want to stir well. And keep aside. So after that, so take nitric acid. So pipette out nitric acid. Post little bit water. Give water. Ammonia solution this one. So we required dilute nitric acid. So pipette out nitric acid. So how to pipette out? So first press the pipette bulb. After that, keep inside the bottle and leave it. Okay. So nitric acid now. This nitric acid transfer into the beaker. So drop by drop. So dilution can do like this. So acid transfer into the water. So this is a dilution process. So in beaker, after that, after adding, we can get dilute nitric acid. Okay. Take water. Okay. Next, in this beaker, so we added copper sulfate and ammonia. And what happened now, in the presence of cellulose, it can form complex of the copper and ammonia. And so after that, you want to take this solution in the syringe. Okay. This solution stuck in the syringe like this. Okay. After sucking, so keep the needle. Okay. Yes. You observe. So formation of the thread-like structure, artificial silk. Okay. Did you observe? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thread-like structure. Say yes or no, boys.
Yes, sir.
Thread-like structure, no? Well, okay. This is artificial silk thread. Say yes or no? Yes. Look at formation of thread. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Last one. Yes. Huh? Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the use of this artificial silk? So artificial silk also called as rayon, no?
Yes, sir.
Artificial silk also called as rayon. So rayon you can use instead of silk. Silk sarees, no? So rayon is available very cheaper than the silk. Avuna kada? Silk sarees they are using for cloth, no? Not gents wear, ladies. So using, no? Okay. Did you observe? Formation of understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.